Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you 2K 3 megapixels outdoor camera. This is wireless with solar panel. Let's open the box and see what we have. Quick start guide and guidance stickers, screw pad, USB-A to USB-C, and screw pad. Here is the solar panel, and here is the camera. Let's check it out. Antennas, 355 degrees and 90 degrees tilt. Here is the area for reset and turn on and off button right there, and SD card and speaker, and you can put the solar panel right there and go ahead and put it. That's good. If you want to put the solar panel, you can put it right there, or if you want to put it somewhere else, you can just basically screw it, especially where the sun comes directly to solar panel. Let's go ahead and install it and check the quality. Let's turn it on, and it's on. And here is our application, Lens View. We can go ahead and add the camera right there. It already found it. Let's pair it.
Wi-Fi is connected. The pairing is successful. You can start using the camera now.
Here is the camera, and this is 2K. Two-way audio talk. Hello. And speaker. You can mute it here, and you can take a screenshot and record a video. Let's go back. There is alert and replay. In console, PTZ, there's position. You can choose the favorite position. Light, that's light. And talk mode, and camera on. There's SD mode, and let's turn it off. And here is the solar panel. We're just gonna put it right there. Make sure it is in place, and then put the screws there. Go ahead and tighten it. Let's put it right there. Let's check the quality. And I'm just gonna go ahead and show you right there how it's moving. It's right there. Let me go ahead and walk around. It's also showing possible person detected from TGIF. And I'm gonna show you during nighttime. It's a nighttime, and I'm right there. And this is my garage. Let me walk around, and I can show you the road. It is dark right now. Let's use the console. You can see it like that. It is very clear. I can definitely suggest this product. It's because you can see it clearly. It has 2K option and two-way audio talk. And you can use PTZ option right there, and it has a night vision, and it has also LED lights. Then you can turn it on and see everything, and it has also a solar panel. I'm gonna turn off the light and see the night vision right now. It's dark, and this is the night vision. And let's check the camera outside. Yep, it's working perfectly. And I'm right there. LED option is enabled.